Oops, I am playing with my friend that I said she's a backstabber and I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm playing with this. Okay, this is also um okay, let's do this. Let's do this one. Come on. Be fast, be fast. We need a gosh darn machine. We should stop equipping remote these days, huh? It's finally. What's wrong with that sound? Tralalilo, tralala, okulilo, okula. Anyway, the box is there and it's kinda good, right? It's kinda good. I want to save up for Coco because I have 5%. I have 5 toons that are 5 twisted that I have 100 research on. Oh, I want that air horn. I want that air horn. I want that air I want that air horn. Give me that air horn. No! I wanted that air horn. Oh man. Tralalelo, tralala, or pagilo, or cola. It's kind of hard to reach floor 20. Or sometimes you actually can, even though you're not a pro at this one. Well, it's not this first ever, but I really want because I want to that but just kidding. That's why that is I'm buying what he has, bro. Huh? Anyway, I'm going to ask her if she still reminds me.